Take a look at this. For the first time in nearly 6 years, water is flowing over Frank Dam up in Frank towards Millerton Lake in Fresno County. According to officials up there, the lake is at 100.2% capacity. The outflow from the dam is about 3,200 cubic feet per second, and the inflow to the lake is about 8,600 cubic feet per second, significantly more than the outflow. Quite amazing to see that for the first time in years. And of course, snowmelt, it's going away fast because we're heating up fast once again. And let's actually show you a nice sunset from Frank Dam just from last night. Of course, we're getting some smoke from the fires out in San Luis Obispo and Santa Barbara counties spilling over to the valley, so that's been an issue for a while. One of our ABC 30 insiders took this picture last night at Halo 2 Guy. I'm going to enlarge it just so you can see it. Fairly nice to see that. He captured the water flowing over the dam and the sunlight peeking over the foothills off in the distance. And of course, there's a little bit of cloud cover from that monsoon moisture moving in from the south, producing a few showers and thunderstorms. Another ABC 30 insider, Veronica of Fresno, sent us this one from last night as well. Beautiful picture to share with you right there. And of course, Mo Bundy from East Central Fresno sent us this picture of the sun setting last night out there in the Fresno County portion towards one of those waterways right there. Nice to see that, and unfortunately we kind of pay the price for that with these hot muggy temperatures, but at least we get some nice sunsets and sunrises out of them. It's hazy out there, and we jumped to 102 in the past hour or so, so that's officially our high temperature this July 9th here. We were at 99 degrees for a good portion of the afternoon. Not as hot as we anticipated because of that cloud cover and haze building over the valley. It kind of gave us some shade, so it helped us just a little bit, but it was still muggy for this time of year here in the valley. We hit 104 in Merced, 105 in Madera, 104 in Hanford, just shy of record temperatures in those three locations. Quick look outside of Fresno Pacific University, North Fresno campus Skycam. Still pretty hazy out there, a little cloudy as well. Dew points right around 50. That's where it becomes a little bit noticeable there, and winds are fairly light. Unfortunately, we just do not have a strong push of cool air to push all this haze and this high pressure system out of California. 101 now in Lemoore, 103 in Porterville, 103 in Madera, and again 102 in Fresno. That looks like that's going to be our high temperature. Give or take a degree or two. Valley temperatures are about the same compared to this time yesterday. And we're still under excessive heat warning, at least until 11 o'clock tonight. Again, this is for the valley and foothill communities. And there's a little bit of thunderstorm activity way up in the Sierra from that monsoon moisture coming up here. It looks like that's going to be the case again. I think things will be dry here for the valley, but obviously we're seeing that cloud cover as this ridge of high pressure stays in place, keeping us hot, pulling in that moisture from the south here. That's going to be the trend here for a while. It might break down just a little bit by the middle of the week, but it's still going to be hot for this time of year. We'll get closer to 100, and we're staying below records for now. Moderate air quality for most of the valley for tomorrow. Still the possibility of a shower or thunderstorm up in the Sierra, and it looks like we'll have temperatures in the 80s and 90s for the most part. Foothill communities, triple-digit temperatures once again, and it's going to be mostly sunny. Again, from the valley to the Sierra and foothills, we're going to have areas of smoke as long as those fires continue to burn. A mild evening ahead of us with overnight lows in the 70s. Tomorrow, still kind of the same deal, 106, but if we get enough cloud cover and that haze continues to build, it might be right around 100, closer to 100 by Thursday to Friday. But then again, next weekend, another round of extreme heat here in the valley. So it's a very stubborn weather pattern that just refuses to break up over the next 7, maybe even 10 days here in Central California.
I don't know about you guys. It feels like really empty here in the valley whenever it gets hot. I'm assuming next weekend's going to be pretty empty too.
Yeah, from what I heard, the coast was packed this weekend with people from the valley.
Yeah, I bet.
A mass exodus.
Yeah.